Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers.
I'm Amanda Haynes.
And today we're actually located a little bit above Heathrow in Seminole County, just north of the Wekiva Springs Park. And we're going to show you a couple of really luxury homes here, new construction luxury homes in this area. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and flip the camera around and show you where we are right now. So we're right here. And as you can see, it's a really nice neighborhood. This one here, this house right here is one that we're going to be doing shortly too. It's a single-story home with over 4,000 square feet right there. But we're actually going to show you this home over here first. So this one here is going to be a little bit over 5,100 square feet, and it is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom. Lots of space in this home. It's definitely what I consider a luxury home in a very nice area. Actually, just across the street, which is over there, you're going to have the Wekiva, the Seminole Wekiva path, where you actually can go along a nature path, and Wekiva Springs is literally right in this area over here. So let's go ahead and go into this home. As you can see, as you come in, you have this nice front porch area, and then you have the double doors. And it comes into this amazing entrance here. So let's go ahead and show you. Has all these nice features here. And then to the left, we do have an office, as you can see here. And then on the other side is the downstairs bedroom suite. So we come in here, here's a half bath, and then a bedroom. And then let's go ahead and show you the main grate area. So check this area out here. Lots of space. The kitchen's over there. We'll take a closer look at the kitchen, the dining room. And then over here to the right is a game room. Obviously, very spacious game room. That's a full 8-foot pool table. And you can sort of get this view of the outside that we're going to show you in a minute also. So this home, the base price of this home is $972,000. And what you're seeing right now, it's going to be a lot of upgrades, a lot of premium, and upgrades are going to be extra. So this home's going to be well into the $1 million range, especially with the upgrades. The pool itself is probably going to be a huge upgrade as well. That's not included in the base price. So come over here. This is the dining room. And let me show you some cool features here. You have a little wine cellar here. It's under the stairs, and then you have the stairs that go up. I like how it curves when it goes up with the storage underneath there like that. And then we have the kitchen. So you have the dining room there, you have a breakfast nook there, and you can see how amazing the outside entertainment area is. Amanda's going to tell us a little bit about that when we go out there. And then the kitchen, look at the windows there, all the way up to the ceiling. Lots of counter space. And then it goes over here. This is a gas community, as you can see the gas range there. It has the refrigerator, which is actually this area right here is a refrigerator. And then you have your oven and microwave. It did win awards. If you see that little thing there, that's actually a ribbon for a builder awards when they do the parade of homes. So then if you come over here, this is like a little dog washing station. So, you know, the doggy door there. And it actually even has, this is all options. If you have pets, obviously if you didn't have pets, you wouldn't want to do this over here. But it is a nice little quick area from the kitchen to the outdoor area. So, and then it goes along here. Let me show you the view from the kitchen to the family room. And then the breakfast nook. But then it has also the butler's pantry going through here. And then the full pantry right here with plenty of space for storage. And of course that goes all the way over here. And you can see Sandy there. She's taking some still photos for us. And through the door behind her, that's going to be a 3-car garage. So now that we've seen the first floor, let's go ahead and go out to the outside area. And Amanda, you want to show us how the outside area and the size of this property?
So there is half-acre to 3/4 acre lots. So there's plenty of space. Of course, this would be an additional price, but you can have plenty of room to put in a pool and still have a backyard. I think Mike mentioned there is hiking trails. There's also biking trails. Really pretty area. They have 34 home sites still available.
I do have to say, Amanda, you mentioned that was a jacuzzi earlier, right?
I thought this was a hot tub that was not filled up when I first came out, but you can actually walk down, have a drink, get a little umbrella.
And there is actually a jacuzzi right there.
Yep.
So, of course, this is an extra thing, but it's just to give you some idea of what you can do with the property. And as you can see, when you get a half an acre to 3/4 of an acre, you do have luxury outdoor living. Very, very nice lifestyle back here. So let's go ahead and go back inside and see the rest of the home. So if you are interested in this home or any other home, whether you're wanting to buy a home or list a home in the Central Florida area, make sure you give us a call. Our number is 407-630-8484. I do have a team of realtors. Amanda is our expert in the Seminole County area. And of course, I do a lot in Dr. Phillips, Windermere, Lake Nona, and Winter Garden. And we do have people in the other areas also to help out and give you the best service possible when you're buying or selling a home here in Central Florida. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and show you the upstairs area. So this comes out to a loft right here. And then you have a few extra bedrooms, but we're going to take a unique tour on the bedrooms. And we're going to go through this door right here. And I think Amanda's going to take us on a different type of tour. Yeah. So this is interesting, right?
So you have a balcony that wraps around.
Uh-huh.
So it connects to 3 different rooms. You have a room here.
Whew. Glad that was unlocked. So bedroom here. And of course you have the, inside view to it too.
And then you have another room here.
This is a room that all my girls will be fighting over probably.
Oh, yes. Let me show you this little seating area over here.
So it has a bedroom and then has this area right here, and then it's...
You have a nice little reading area and see your family over there watching a movie at the same time.
Awesome. That's really cool. So there's a really cool design here. Again, these are luxury homes. We help with all different homes, whether you're looking for a starter home or if you're looking for one of these luxury homes, we'll be more than happy to help you out. There's a bathroom right here, full bathroom. And then the other bedroom was here that we saw from the outside where we came in right there. And then we originally started right there. There she is. All right, so we go up here, go up another little couple steps. And then we have the laundry room here with some extra storage over here. You have your washer and dryer, plenty of cabinets. You come over here, this is the master bedroom. So let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom. You come in here, it's got its own little area here for your morning coffee, a little sink, got a little refrigerator down here. All these are upgrades, but definitely gives you an idea of what you can do. And then here's the master, really nice master bedroom. It does have its own private balcony, which is over here. It's a nice sized balcony that then overlooks the amazing outdoor living area, as you can see. So let's go ahead and check out the master bathroom, which is over here. I'll show you the closets. So we come here, and then we have 2 closets right here. We have like a little sitting area here, and then you have a closet here. And you have another closet over here, which is the larger closet. And you have your water closet, and you have your shower, which actually goes through on both sides. You can get into it from both sides. And of course here, plenty of storage. You have 1 sink on this side. You have the tub in the middle. And then you have the sink and plenty of storage over there. And of course, back to the other side of the shower. Over 5,100 square feet of living. really well done home here. Lots of nice flooring and tile throughout. This one will be quite a bit over the base price due to all that, but this does give you the idea of what you can do to these homes. So this here is the media room. Watch your movies. Has some really neat doors here, which is the barnyard doors, as you can see up here. You can then slide them across to close the room to get your darkness. Has the blackout shades there. And then over here, you have another bedroom. So this will be the 5th bedroom. Has its own bathroom and closet. So if I come over here, as you can see, it has full bathroom. And then the closet's on the other side. It also has some really nice views here of the backyard. So that is a little bit over 5,100 square feet of living. And we're in a really nice area of town, just literally north of Wekiva Springs. So if you're in Wekiva Springs Park, you're literally on the north side of Wekiva Springs, and it's a little bit to the northwest of Heathrow. That's where this is located. So if you are interested in seeing this home in person, or if you're looking for any home, whether it's a starter home, whether it's resale, new construction, whatever, just give us a call. We do have realtors on our team that can help in every area. Amanda here, she's the best one to talk to about Seminole County. She lived in Seminole County your whole life.
Whole life.
Yeah, so she can definitely show you the areas, show you how the shoppings are, all the different entertainment things. So make sure you give us a call at 407-630-8484. Thanks for watching, and hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.